Hello, welcome back, students. This is Mr. Velez showing you something awesome today. So we're gonna play keyboard or piano in the computer with aQWERTYon, an awesome program. So go to my website, Mr. Velez Guitar Music. Go to Music Tech. Go to aQWERTYon. It's gonna take you here. Here, watch this video, and then here are the chords for the first song we're gonna be learning. Let It Rain with A minor, F, C, and G. This is the family of C major. So you're gonna see here, see the key of C. You need these three notes for A minor, A, C, E. For F, you need F, A, C. For C, you need C, E, G. For G, you need G, B, D. Just memorize. Then click this link. It's gonna take you. This is the track version. There's no one singing. This is the original version, original C, with the original YouTube. But first, let's start with the track version, which I did one with a YouTube to help you with arrow. So it's gonna point out when you have to switch to the next chord. And then here, if you don't have this in the root of C, just change it to the root of C, and it should be good to go. Right now I have piano, but you can change it to any sound and play it with that. Okay, so I'm gonna do a whole note, which is holding those three notes for 4-beat A, C, E, and this is the one way you can do it. You can do it with your right hand, W, R, Y on your keyboard. This is the other way. Okay, so choose whatever is best for you. I'm gonna do it this way first, and then you can play the song. Click here to enable. 2, 3, 4, 5 F. 1, 2, 3, 5 C. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And that's it. That's all about the song. Is just that's why it's so easy, because it's just those four chords over and over. You can do it that way, which is I like it, and it's easy. And then you can do quarter note. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or whole note, or a note, which is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. So experiment with that. Or you can do the other way that I showed you already, which is WRY with your right hand. I should say practice both ways so you can get used to. Number 2, 4, and 6. So every other note you skip, see? And then G will be G, B, D. And there you go. Just repeat that over and over with the sum, and you should be fine. Okay, if you have any question, leave it down in the comment. If you want to see more video of this, just give it a like, and thank you so much. See you next time. Make sure it's in major. You can change the volume here. You can pick any sound you want to experiment. I usually do piano or organ. Let me change it. Click. But you can do whatever you want. And you can do those chords with any instrument that do chords like ukulele, guitar, piano, and so on. So have a nice time. See you next time. Bye.